Hi there, I'm David Christy, Commerce Solution Architect at Altudo, with over 10 years of experience in optimizing digital commerce channels for businesses. In this video, let's talk about Klevu's Product Discovery Suite versus the BigCommerce Native Search Experience. Before I get started, for context, we'll be comparing the features that are available in Klevu's Product Search and Discovery package and application, highlighting where Klevu is going to be an improvement over BigCommerce Native Product Search in most cases. Now, also to add, Klevu is a BigCommerce approved app, has been approved as a multi-storefront compatible app as well by the BigCommerce team. So with that said, let's dive into a brief background on what Klevu offers. So Klevu's Product Discovery Suite includes AI-powered on-site advanced search. That's the main feature, right? You have smart category merchandising it comes with. You can do smart recommendations and a personalization engine. And they're all powered by real-time buyer intent. So Klevu's machine learning then, will use behavioral data to look at the last 30-day window of data. It's going to then rank and order products based on clicks, searches, and conversions of your shoppers. So in this way, the AI is always producing the most relevant and popular items for the shopper. So okay, now that I've laid that foundation of what Klevu offers, let's jump into really comparing a feature by feature Klevu versus BigCommerce Native Search. So let's start by comparing traditional product search. So BigCommerce, the built-in search will find products by product names, product descriptions, product keywords, brands, categories, features, model numbers, content, and so on, right? So all the main data points in your product page, your product details inside of BigCommerce. Now, one thing to note about BigCommerce there, it does place a priority on those different product fields for search rank weights, but you can't configure these weights. So you can't say that product name is higher up than product SKU. It's whatever's out of the box. Now, Klevu goes much further than just finding products. So let's explore the main features that we find valuable. There's a rich autocomplete and relevant search results. There's an instant search as you type option. It's powered by natural language processing you can put on. AI-powered self-learning. It supports long tail and voice-based search, which is very important nowadays. Automated product catalog enrichment can happen. Real-time search trends and personalization. And that's why we really believe Klevu's Smart Search is much more powerful and extensive than, native BigCommerce. And what we believe delivers that most value from Klevu is search results are based on shopper intentions, and it's done in real time with their behavior and their intentions are. And they do this by combining the power of machine learning, natural language processing, then to deliver, those most relevant results to your shoppers. So on to the next topic. A common complaint we get from merchants on BigCommerce is the lack of merchandising features, right? They can't manage their product catalogs and how they're displaying them to shoppers. So this is really an area where Klevu will add instant value for you and your team through their smart category merchandising. So some features that we often hear merchants raving about, to me, and even that I love too when I'm working with clients on these, is the ability to do automatic and visual merchandising of different product list pages, dynamic filters and SEO-friendly page layouts, merchandising banners you get. You can do drag and drop visual merchandising that allows you to pin hero products to remain at the top of pages. You can schedule time-bound campaigns for visual banners. You have the ability to manually boost products up if you want to have them higher in your search results, regardless of what they're looking for. Save yourself time to be able to copy rules across categories so that you're not repeating the same thing. And then the real merchandising magic in Klevu really lies within the AI, right? The machine learns in real time from your own customers, taking strategic guidance from your campaigns. So you can also A/B test your merchandising strategies in that same token to find the best conversion rate. Another area to compare is product recommendations. While BigCommerce does offer automation here, by default, your related products will be set automatically with no ability to customize the rules behind it. So with this feature in BigCommerce, related products are chosen based on similarity in the product name and description. You can't control or override that. Now, the main differentiator of Klevu's smart recommendations over BigCommerce then is it's displaying hyper-relevant product recommendations from day one out of the box. So what does that mean? So it means that it's going to continue to improve further as well with each click, search query, or purchase that your shoppers are taking on your site. Now, what we like the most that Klevu offers there is the AI product recommendations, are based on previous search results. It's self-learning, right? It's going to have the ability to select from a variety of recommendation types and where to display them, like trending products, new, highly rated, or even related to past purchases from your shopper or from other people like them. And then you have the ability to upsell and cross-sell on home pages, PLP, PDP, cart pages. Now, the final differentiator Klevu offers over BigCommerce is the area of personalization related to the product results. So BigCommerce doesn't offer anything natively here. Klevu's AI personalization engine there utilizes algorithms to add an extra layer of personalization to provide those personalized experiences to new or returning customers, right? It doesn't have to be the same set for both. And it's without complicated segments or manual processes. So to wrap up, BigCommerce Native Search, excellent for merchants with small catalog, great if you have a straightforward category structure and you have a limited need to automate personal recommendations. While Klevu is for merchants with a need and a desire to drive improved search, offer more AI and machine learning, product findability goes up, the ability to searchandize or automatically merchandise the site. So that's it for today. If you're not sure where to start, feel free to contact us at Altudo to leverage our team of experts. Our team is really great at driving efficiency and optimization out of your product search and discovery suite. And don't forget to take advantage of our free workshop with one of our digital commerce experts like myself, where we'll create a strategy for implementing an AI-powered product search and discovery experience just for you.